Alright everybody, down in James's garage again. I was gonna make a regular type video. I'm just doing this one off of my phone real quick. Let you know what's going on. I really didn't have time to make one today and get it uploaded and edited, uploaded, all that. Anyway, quick weather report here from Central Oregon. It's warm. It's about 85 degrees. And again, looks like we might have some showers moving in. Don't think it's going to amount to a whole lot. But James and I, we've been working on, this is one of Mr. John Shields' bumpers. Absalute Customs is his business name. And he has these new kits, these new DIY weld together bumper kits. And we got one, well actually we got two. We got this one, the front one, and the rear one is down under there. We're going to be working on that maybe next week. But James and I have been working on getting this front one put together. There's going to be a bigger video on that coming up, probably, hopefully tomorrow. And James, mine's more of a, it's showing a lot of the same thing. Mine's more of a vlogging type, regular vlogging type video. James he's putting together a pretty good step-by-step instructional video. Mine is going to have a lot of the same thing in it, but that's pretty much what his is. And so if you're interested in getting one of these bumpers, you probably want to watch both videos. You'll hear a lot of the same commentary and whatever, but you're going to get some different angles. And James, his really is a more of a step-by-step kind of thing, where mine's a little more casual. It looks like he's just getting home now. He had to go off and get needed some more of these grinding discs. Grinding down the welds right now. So that's what we're up to. This truck is fueled by recycled dinosaurs. Yeah, did you get what we needed?
Yeah, I got what we needed.
No snacks?
I'm tired.
Yeah.
I got a face burn from not wearing a shield.
Oh yeah, everybody complaining about James not wearing his...
I had my eyes closed and I was looking the other direction.
All he was doing was tack welding things in. He had his safety contacts in. His welding contacts were in. I had a lot of comments on that, but he was just tacking stuff in. He'd shut his eyes every time he pulled the trigger. Anyway, we had to get more.
So I got you 40 and 60.
Okay.
I also picked up some more flux.
A little bit more wire. We're
just in case.
Just about running out of wire here on this thing.
Which is crazy because we had a big spool at 3/4. What was it? I think a 4 pound. I had like 4.
Yeah, it's one of the big spools.
A lot of welding goes into this. That's let's see, what is it?
Yeah, it's the bigger spool.
Yeah, hold on, I'll find it. I found it yesterday. It is a big spool though, and my nut walked off.
Uh-oh.
I don't know where it went. It's gone.
And we've been using flux core on this.
That's all I mean, that's all you need.
Yeah.
You're gonna grind it down anyway.
Yep, it does the job. Yeah.
I was getting tired. Like, I don't weld all the time.
So we'll grind that down, but that's in another video, like I said, so we'll come back to that after a while. So what are we doing tonight, James? More grinding.
We're gonna go out and work on Kyle's truck. It may happen, it may not happen.
Kyle did some work on his truck last night.
Which you guys just seen that episode. I uploaded a video this morning for Kyle. A little bit of a time lapse what they did last night while we were working on this. But
so all we have left to do on this is the bull bar and the...
Yeah, I got the bull bar in the back of the truck. I got to take out
the front
hooks.
Tow hook mount.
I'm gonna do these guys.
Yeah, it goes over here, but
right there.
Anyway.
Got to figure out the angle on these.
Yep, we'll get those on, and the bull bar, have to figure that one out. But again, that's in another video. That's not what this is just a quick little thing, so.
I think we're getting some thunderstorms coming. Look at that.
Yeah, I already covered the weather.
Okay.
So, I don't know.
It's not as hot as yesterday.
No, yesterday was brutal.
I don't know if anybody has used these before, but I've been having a blast with these.
Those came in super handy.
Yeah. for this project. I've used them. I mean, Papa has a bunch of them in the barn, so when I was like, I need some. I don't know why I haven't bought any for my shop in here, and I finally got 2 of these. I'm gonna buy 2 more. I'm gonna have 4 of them.
We have to pick some of those up when I get back home.
Those have been awesome. I mean, you could even be like working on a truck and needing something to stay still and just, walk up and just stick this so you have a flat surface to put something on. I mean, there's a lot of different things.
Yeah, it's pretty strong too.
They are. I like them.
Anyway, I've been using these flap discs, and I've never used one of these before. I have some, just never used them, and they seem to work pretty darn well.
I'm not a big fan of this Diablo brand, but I did not want to drive across town and get the DeWalt.
Yeah.
I like the DeWalt brand.
How many grit was that other one? The one that's on there?
I think it was the 60.
Okay.
So I got something a little more aggressive.
All right.
They have a 40, 60, and then they have an 80.
Yeah, I think.
Somewhere in my bag of tricks,
I think
I've got a couple floating around somewhere that have been used up halfway.
I think 2 more ought to do it. We got a lot done.
So I figured we'd go over with the 40, and then to find. I should have gotten 80 too, but whatever.
Yeah, we'll make it work. Now it looks a little crude right now, but it's going to look good when it's all done. Got to fill in a couple places with some weld yet. And
I'm going on a little YouTube vacation after you go home.
Yeah?
Working my normal job, working this whole big project, working on editing till 2:30 in the morning, going to bed, waking up at 7:30, 8 o'clock, and then doing it all again. Holy cow!
Yeah.
It's a lot of work.
Uploading every day is
Jeez. Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
I don't know if
it
I'm
takes a
gonna
lot.
have a video tomorrow. I don't have a video. I mean,
We're gonna have
the tutorial video is
maybe.
going to be done, but the problem with the tutorial video is it's not going to be your normal 10 to 15 minute video. And it's got to be cut and done perfect.
There's gonna be a lot of editing in that.
A lot of editing.
That's why I opted to do the more general vlogging video.
Yeah. You didn't want nothing to do with the how-to.
Hey, it's not my bumper. Anyway, guys, we might get the is this 78 or 79 Bronco?
That's a 78. It's
We might get that out here in the next week if we have time.
Yeah, we'll put about it. I need to actually get it fired up and running.
We might pull it out and let you have a look at that if you haven't seen that before. If you don't know this guy, this is James from Central Oregon Shenanigans. We're kind of teaming up this week. I'm out in Oregon. I'll link, it's him and Kyle that have that channel. I'll link them down below in the description and a button on the end screen.
This is definitely next. This is definitely next. She needs to be loved on.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we might get that out on my channel. The channel's never seen one of those before.
Yeah. You could do a review on it. Start it up. Go around the block. I don't care. It's got insurance on it.
It's got a flat tire on it too. All right. Anyway, guys, if you've been following along, we also have a new collaboration sticker. Sticker, t-shirts, hoodies, what else? Mug. They have a mug, I don't.
Die cut stickers.
Die cut
not die
sticker.
Cast, but die cut.
Pull up the picture.
Okay, you're gonna have to yak about something else while I find it real quick.
All right.
Big shout out to John Shield on the donating.
Yeah, John Shield, Absalute Customs. I'm sure a lot of you know who he is. If you are in any of the Ford truck Facebook groups, you know who John Shield is.
Die cut sticker stuff is. You put me on the spot.
I know.
I
know.
I didn't know I was gonna come back to this, and
Also got my. Also have my sticker that you can get on my. It's linked down below somewhere. Stickers and things.
I can't find it at the moment.
Okay. Anyway, it has a picture of their. Here, show me your hat. Has a picture of their logo, and then to the right of their logo, kind of in front of their Bronco type thing, is a picture of my logo, and you got my reflection there. But anyway, it's a pretty cool looking sticker, limited edition, not going to be out very long, and they're actually selling pretty well. So if you want one, you need to jump on that here because we're not going to keep it going.
Limited edition. I'm looking for.
All right, we almost got it here, guys.
Maybe. Got to add the play. Hold on. Yeah, it's right.
Anyway, we're having a lot of fun out here. I mean, it's a lot of work, but a lot of fun. But we finally got to meet in person. And
There.
I just need to get Kyle's truck finished up.
Oh, it was on there, and then it
But James and I we're gonna work on the bumper tonight. We're gonna go out to Kyle's probably for what, next 4 or 5 days?
Come on. Yeah.
Because Kyle's off work, James is off work.
This is where the real grind comes in. It's you know, this is a big part of it because this is to jazz it up, and this is part of the sponsorship right here. And the main work is going to get done in the next 4 days. So you guys are going to see.
Yeah, 4 or 5 days.
I mean, we've done a lot this week.
Yeah.
I mean, you haven't even been here for a week, and we still have you for another week, and we still, you know, to get this. The truck is not going to be done running and driving in 2 weeks. The body and paint, this bumper, hopefully the rear bumper that we have for this.
Yeah, we'll see on that. That'll be next week if we get to it.
The main goal of this restoration project was to get the paint and body done, and then after John goes home.
I've only been here 5 days.
After John goes home.
I'm here for 14.
Then we will finish up the suspension components. There's a couple broken suspension components on Kyle's truck, and as soon as those are fixed, then we'll be able to just send John some video. But you should come check us out too.
Yep, check these guys out. Subscribe to both of our channels. Hit that notification bell so you know when we're uploading, because we're uploading at least once a day.
Trying.
We've done twice a day, a couple times. I know.
Dragging that ball and chain feels like. It's like, God, I gotta get something done so I can get it up. Yeah, it's crazy.
But anyway, that's what's going on here tonight. We're going to keep working on this. Kyle, I think, is going to do some more work on his truck tonight. And then we're going to head out there tomorrow, and we're all going to hit it hard for the next 4 or 5 days.
We're going to have a Saturday night rides on our channel. I don't know what you're going to do with that. You can film, whatever. But
possibly.
Saturday night rides is a thing that Kyle and I started a long time ago. It was fun to interact with our fan base at the time.
People send in pictures of the rides, and they're supposed to send in a paragraph.
A paragraph.
Not a book.
A couple pictures. You can go over to our channel if you want to enter your ride. CentralOregonShenanigans@gmail.com, and send in your projects, guys, and we'll film it here with John. We're going to get all the rides that get sent in done while John's here. We normally set up some stools, some flags, drink some beers, have a good time with it.
It's a very casual setting.
Yep. Kind of go over your guys' rides, feature right on the channel. You know, a paragraph, how long you had it, what have you done to it, what's in the future.
Yeah.
Kyle and I we like seeing what our fans, you know, were doing. So that's why we started Saturday Night Rides, and then we got busy and we shut it down, and now it's like we're bringing it back. So we're bringing back Saturday Night Rides. So send in your rides.
All right, I'll link the email down in the description for doing that as well. So anyway, guys, we need to get back to work. The weather's good. The sun is now. Usually it's really hot in the garage here right now because the sun shines in here for a few hours. But right now, it's not bad. I'm not sure what the puppy thermometer says, but 82, something like that.
Yeah.
But anyway, that's gonna do it for today, guys. And we'll catch you next time.
On Central Oregon Shenanigans.
Check them and the Fox. Check them out. All right. Talk to you later, guys.